we're not doing anything. They could pull up cameras, the cops could come and check again, and they're not gonna find anything.
I live in Gloveview, and I've been having like a lot of like noise. So like, are you familiar with that? Or
I just got home. Is it the washing machine?
it and bring it back,
But
or like
look,
in a.
it doesn't matter. I was not here.
Okay, then where is it coming from?
I don't know. I don't have these answers for you. Go ask the front office. Like,
I was having some complaints like right now, and like it was like really loud music, and like
Oh, that was when I was taking a shower, yeah.
how you play it that loud
Yeah.
every day.
When I take a shower, yeah.